Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you the ultimate Windows 11 gaming performance guide. So let's get started. For opening gaming mode, you have to type search bar and search settings. Now move to settings by double clicking on it. Now, as you can see in the left panel, go to gaming, then search for game mode. As you can see, a game mode, and just turn it on. As you can see, I've already turned on. Now how to disable Xbox game bar and background. For doing this, again go to settings, then move to gaming. Now move to game bar. Now just turn it off. Now game bar will turn it off and then go to captures. As you can see, captures option. Mm, Alright. Go to captures and just turn off background recording. As you can see here, record what happened. So you have to turn it off for better graphics. Now this will free up some system resources and reduces lag. Now how to set power play to high performance. Uh, go to power options, go to search bar and type power options. As you can see, edit power plan. Go to here. Now, as you can see here, now click on additional power settings and set to high performance. For porting it, just and click on apply all and it will give you high performance settings. Applying high graphics, you have to restart a PC. Now, after restarting a PC, you will see a boost in your graphics settings as well as the CPU. And that's it. Now you know Ultimate Windows 11 gaming tips for your Windows 11. Subscribe for more gaming tricks. I will bring more in my next videos. Thanks for watching, guys.